Subscriber Red Diamond YouTube play button. So the first Red Diamond play button was given to T-Series on May the 29th of 2019. Not much is known about this award except that it was given to T-Series CEO in a YouTube music convention. Swedish YouTuber PewDiePie received his award on August the 25th, 2019. He unboxed this in a video, but then was later broken, then sold, and then fixed. Right now, British YouTuber Jack Sucks at Life holds possession of it. On December the 12th, 2020, Cocomelon received their award, but this award was manufactured on October the 30th, 2019 by YouTuber What's Inside. He collaborated with YouTube to make a Red Diamond play button and gave it to Cocomelon once they reached 100 million subscribers. Mr. Beast got his 100 million subscriber play button on July the 28th, 2022. He unboxed this on a $100 million private island, which he gave away. Kids Diana Show on August the 16th got their 100 million subscriber play button. This was an image on their Facebook page. Just 9 days after, another female child influencer named Like Nasha got their play button on August the 25th. Z Music got their play button on September the 24th of 2023, but nothing is known about this play button. The only thing we know about this play button is that it's right now in Z Music's hands and it exists. The image above is provided by an Indian news service. On March the 8th, 2024, WWE's executive Triple H unboxed their 100 million play button in a YouTube short. Goldmines got their award on September the 20th, 2024. Above is their CEO with all of their diamond play buttons and red diamond play buttons. The newest known play button is the Stokes Twins play button, which is given on them on September the 30th, 2024. They unboxed this in a video. 3 channels have reached 100 million subscribers, but have not gotten a play button. These channels are Sony Entertainment Television India, Vlad and Nikki, and Kim Pro. Although Vlad and Nikki have celebrated their 100 million subscribers. Make sure you subscribe. It would help me very much.